Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to turn off NSFW filter on Character AI. First of all, you need to know that Character AI does not allow turning off the filter. The platform is designed to follow strict guidelines that prevent explicit or inappropriate content. If you are looking for an alternative, you can try this. Rewarding your prompts to make them more acceptable within the Character AI guidelines. So Character AI enforced the NSFW filter to maintain the safe and responsible AI environment. The developers designed the platform for creative, engaging, and safe conversation while avoiding inappropriate or harmful content. So unfortunately, there's no official way to disable the filter. If anything changes, I will be sure to share the update with you. So that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for the latest video. Take care.